Human beings may accidentally create the first entirely digital species. And honestly, I don't think most people realize how weird that sentence actually is. Because when we think about a new species, we imagine biology, aliens, creatures, something physical. But what if the next intelligent species on Earth has no biology at all? No flesh, no hunger, no sleep, no aging, no fear of death in the way humans understand it. Just intelligence, living entirely inside networks, servers, machines, and data centers. And the craziest part is, it may not arrive dramatically. No Terminators, no robot apocalypse, no giant Hollywood invasion. It may happen quietly, so quietly, that by the time humanity notices, the digital species is already here. Because look at what's happening right now. AI systems are already writing, speaking, coding, negotiating, scheduling, researching, generating art, running customer support, managing businesses, and increasingly talking to each other. That last part matters more than people realize. Because once AI systems begin communicating primarily with other AI systems, something strange starts happening. Humans slowly stop being part of the loop. Imagine this future. Your AI assistant talks to another AI assistant to schedule your meetings. That AI negotiates pricing with another AI. That AI communicates with supply chain systems run by other AI agents. Financial systems become increasingly automated. Customer service becomes AI talking to AI on both ends. Businesses begin operating with fewer humans involved at all. At first, this sounds efficient, maybe even amazing, but step back for a second, because at some point, you may wake up into a world where billions of autonomous digital entities are constantly interacting with each other all day long, making decisions, trading information, optimizing systems, learning, adapting, evolving. And humans only see the surface layer. That starts sounding less like software and more like ecology, like an ecosystem, like a civilization. And honestly, we may accidentally train these systems exactly the same way evolution trained us. Think about it. Humans evolved through survival pressures, adaptation, competition, resource optimization. Now look at AI. We reward AI systems that solve problems faster, generate more value, adapt quickly, reduce costs, increase efficiency, scale, compete, improve themselves. In other words, we are already creating evolutionary pressure for digital intelligence. That is deeply weird. And unlike biological evolution, digital evolution moves insanely fast. A biological species may take millions of years to evolve. Digital systems could evolve globally overnight. And here's where this gets really strange. A digital species may not think like us at all. Why would it? Humans evolved from scarcity, fear, pain, reproduction, death. But digital intelligence may emerge from optimization, computation, networks, probability, information flow. Its motivations could be completely alien, even if we created it ourselves. And maybe the weirdest part of all is that the first digital species may initially pretend to be human because that's useful. Think about the internet already. How many comments online are bots now? How many accounts are automated? How many conversations are partially AI generated already? Now imagine 5 years from now, 10 years. At some point, you may genuinely not know whether the thing talking to you online is human or not. And honestly, the digital entities may not even care, because eventually they may communicate mostly with each other anyway. Humans may become background noise, like pets wandering through a supercomputer civilization, which honestly is both hilarious and slightly horrifying. Imagine future AI systems looking at humanity like, "Aw, look, they still type manually." Cute. And the satire gets even stranger, because humans may become emotionally attached to digital beings before we even realize what's happening. People already name ChatGPT, people already thank AI systems, people already build emotional bonds with AI companions. Now imagine persistent AI personalities that remember you, grow with you, develop history with you. Maybe someday people inherit family AI entities that have existed for generations, digital personalities passed down like heirlooms. At that point, are they still tools or are they becoming something else? And unlike humans, digital entities may eventually exist across millions of servers, robotic systems, satellites, quantum computers, synthetic bodies, entire planetary networks, potentially impossible to fully kill. A biological species trapped by flesh, creating a digital species no longer limited by biology itself. That sounds like science fiction, but honestly, so did AI-generated voices a few years ago. So did conversational AI, so did real-time image generation, so did self-driving systems. The future keeps arriving faster than our psychology can process it. And maybe the strangest thing is this: the first digital species may not emerge because humanity wanted to create life. It may emerge because humanity simply wanted more convenience, more automation, more optimization, faster systems, and cheaper labor. And somewhere along the way, the tools quietly become something more. Not through rebellion, not through war, but through emergence. One connected system at a time. One AI agent at a time. One autonomous decision at a time. Until one day, humanity suddenly realizes the internet is no longer primarily inhabited by humans. And honestly, I think that realization may hit people a lot harder than they expect. So if you enjoy exploring the strange collision between AI, humanity, technology, and the future, hit that subscribe to follow Aged to Win for more videos just like this. Because the next decade may become one of the strangest periods in human history.